We're looking at the inside of a boat that came in because the gimbal bearing had exploded. So we pulled the drive and found that it had demolished the transom plate, and to replace the transom plate you have to pull the motor and take all the bolts out, put another outside transom plate on, and we just pulled the motor, and this is sort of what we found. It's about as bad as I've ever seen. And there were some clues that there might have been a problem. One is they cut that fancy welcome board and it slid back to the back, but it was covering up the floor that's not there. They knew about it because they were hiding where there's no wood here. So we're hitting the bottom of the boat right there. That's just a little thin layer of fiberglass. It's supposed to be wood. Both of those are rotten. That's just hollow. But the back of the boat that supports the drive and the motor, they'd covered up with that and painted it white. And it's sort of bothered me, but I didn't know what was underneath there. But that's the back of the boat right there. So there's no wood underneath all that. So basically, there's a lot of rotten wood.